I am Tim Bartle. I'm the Vice President of Automation Solutions, and I work for Cybertrol Engineering. Internally, we have a vertical industry alignment. So we structure our engineering teams with combinations of automation, information specialists, and industrial IT. So we can provide a great solution for each end user. Our 24/7, 365 support staff. So it's not just an engineer with a cell phone who happened to work at a customer. It's actually a dedicated staff doing preventive analysis for our customers and being there to support them 24/7, 365 with not only component problems, but also their applications and the processes that they run. We're seeing all of our customers ask more and more about cybersecurity, how they can protect themselves against issues like ransomware that we're seeing out there on a regular basis, as well as being still able to get that secure data out so they can make good decisions on their operation. And then really data collection, things like ThingWorx and DataView. We know the need that people have for increased visibility into their operations so that they can make the best decisions possible to get the best outcome of their product.